Obstacle detection and identification. The obstacle detection is done by using two infrared sensors, and the identification of the objects will be done using a camera mounted at the end of the horizontal bar, and live video feeds will be given to the user through smart devices like mobile phone, tablet or a computer device. As a last point, calculating the distance travelled. To calculate the distance travelled, we used a simple equation. The distance travelled by the horizontal or the vertical arm both can be calculated, the rate of extension into the time taken for the extension. Then the architecture. Architecture is divided into two parts, the vertical motion and the horizontal motion. In the vertical motion, there consists a vertical arm connected to the horizontal arm, which has two IR sensors and the vertical movement rail. The limitations are the upper limit of the vertical movement and the lower limit of the vertical movement. Those limitations are gathered by the two IR sensors. Then the horizontal motion. Horizontal motion has a main part, which is the extended horizontal arm, a unique tubular design we have developed, and the horizontal arm motor compartment will contain the stepper motor and its circuitry. As a conclusion, main features of the household utility robot versus other similar devices. Weight of the devices is reduced to increase the portability, and other similar devices may be too heavy to operate. The compact design. Design is compact due to auto-retractable horizontal arm of the household utility robot and 360-degree rotation along horizontal axis. While the other similar devices may be compact but lacks features. 360-degree rotation along vertical axis, it is done manually because keeping a separate motor to do the 360-degree rotation will be extra cost, as the user can do it manually very easily. But in other similar devices, it may be achieved with a separate motor. As the last point, unique tubular horizontal extension arm. It is easy to move through small areas and compact in the household utility robot. But in other similar devices, it may need more room, as the space requirement is very large and limited reaching ability. Then here is a video explanation, animation done to depict how our household utility robot will work. The robot consists of a vertical arm and a horizontal arm, which is at the state of compact. When the user gives the signal, the horizontal arm will move along the vertical arm until the user stops it or until it reaches its maximum level. Then when the user gives the signal to the horizontal arm, where it will move forward with the camera mounted at the end. The horizontal extendable arm will be reaching unreachable places or risky places through limited space available, while the user observes the live video feeds through a supported mobile device or a tablet or a computer. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Mr. Dissanayake, whom I couldn't introduce at the beginning because of the power failure and movement up and down. And Mr. DMNCS Dissanayake is a student of Kotalawala Defence University, and he is following the bachelor degree in computer science. He is now in his second year following the degree program, and his research interests include robotics, computer interaction and mobile development. Thank you.